friends, in this video we learn that how to make an electroscope. So start our experiment. So for that we have to take a ruler, paper, cardboard, a glass tumbler and a aluminium wire. So start our experiment. First take a cardboard and make a point in it and then cut it like this. And then take a straw and fix in the hole like this. Then take aluminium wire and make a ring-like structure. Like this. Then cut 2 strips like this. Then make a point in 2 strips and then cut it like this. Then take glass tumbler and then fix this arrangement. Then fix this aluminium wire from the straw. And then make a hook like this. Then hang these 2 strips in the aluminium wire and then set all the arrangement. So our electroscope is ready, and how it is work I show you. Then rub the scale from your head or a woolen cloth. You see that both strips far away from each other. Why it is? Because like charges repel each other. Thank you.